You're not gonna believe this crazy ingredient in my 3 ingredient cake. Yes. We actually have this tip in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1. It's been in there 25 years ago. I put it in there. Okay. Mayonnaise. See what my son said? Keep this mayonnaise pure. My son loves mayonnaise, and Mom keeps, I always have a thing of mayonnaise in here, but I always add stuff to my mayonnaise so that I don't, because I love mayonnaise too, and I don't want to mix it up. So I have a fish mayonnaise, and I have a, what's the other one? I have 2 fish mayonnaise. Oh no, yeah, fish mayonnaise, another fish mayonnaise, and then I have my my potato salad / deviled egg mix that I always keep mixed up. Okay, so here's the secret ingredient right there. It is mayonnaise. It makes your cake so moist and so delicious. And then I got my eggs. Now you can make this 2 ingredient. And I had thought about trying it as 2 ingredient. I think I will. Okay, and then my water. All right, there we go. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. Okay, I got my parchment paper here. All right, I'm gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. All right, here is my mayonnaise cake. This is gonna be Dave's cake because he loves mayonnaise. Look at it, just comes right out.
I don't know if I want mayonnaise on a cake though.
Thanks, Dave, thanks.
Might taste a little weird.
It's not gonna taste weird. Would your mother make weird food?
I don't know, but mayonnaise on a cake, that's kind of scary.
All right, here we go. We got our frosting. So if you include frosting, it's what, 4 ingredients? Because water's not counted as an ingredient. Okay. So here we go. Oh my goodness, look at all that moist, fluffy, yummy goodness. So there's the middle layer. There's the second layer. Now I put it upside down on the bottom so it would be flat, but I put it right side up on the top so it would have that little curve. Here we go, let's see. Who's gonna taste test this cake? So keep your knife on the frosting and only move the frosting, and then you won't rip your cake. You don't dig down too low. Just get it all nice and even. Oh my goodness. This is looking so delicious. It's looking so delicious. Does it look delicious, Dave?
Mm-hmm.
It's yellow cake and mayonnaise, your 2 favorite, Dave. This has Dave written all over it. All right. Let's cut this baby and see what it tastes like. Okay.
Let them eat cake.
Oh, stop it.
I always wondered what was wrong with Marie Antoinette saying let them eat cake. I mean, I love cake.
Aren't you funny?
Yes. People are like, who's Marie Antoinette? Man, you gotta stop making cakes, dear. I'm gonna eat too much. These are really good.
Well, unfortunately, it's our Mother's Day sale, so there's going to be a cake a day.
Yum. Delicious. Cake every day.
So much for the diet.
Mm-hmm.